So, traders, as we've hit the end of the week, and today is NFP, so I guess you guys are prepared, and I guess you guys are ready to make a bag and get some crazy perps, because today money is gonna be made and perps are gonna be cashed for NFP. But it's all based on you having an analysis, a plan, and a clean setup if it will be printed out. But this is your boy Harlem King COT, and we're back again with another educational video. Happy Friday, traders. Hope you guys are doing good and hope you guys are prepared. Like I said, this is your boy Harlem King COT, and on today's video, as you already saw the thumbnail, this will be part 2 of what I've shared on part 1, that I will be exposing Forex secrets that those Forex mentors and those Forex brokers and those Forex traders out there don't want you to know, because they want to make a bag all by themselves. But because you have subscribed to the COT Academy page, you will receive all the gems, all the knowledge, and all the secrets that you need so you can have a great trading journey. But before we hit the video, make sure you like on the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and how to recommend. As you guys can clearly see which trading platform I'll be using the QuickTrade platform. I will never be using the trading view anymore, because the platform is a built-in trading view setting. And for the most part of it, this is a user-friendly and easy trading platform to use as a trader, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or professional like myself, right? So, without further ado, let me show you guys the gems and the secrets that those many traders don't want you to know and those brokers don't want you to see, so you can make a bag, right? So, on Tuesday, guys, because this trade, this setup was took on Tuesday, and this setup was mainly based on our weekly trading outlook. You can go check it out if you haven't watched the previous video. Check it out and see what we anticipated for the coming week, and come back and check this video out so you can clearly see that it's all based on correlation and all based on anticipations and all based on believing and knowing what you're doing, right? So on Tuesday, this was very simple, right? On Tuesday, nasdaq price gave us a support. This was a 4-hour support that I spoke about with the team, right? That this 4-hour support does two things that we might look into do. One, it's that obviously price has multiple reactions on this very same support. And two, we're gonna be focusing on, is price gonna give us a fill to break, or is price gonna give us a break? Those were the two anticipations that we were looking for, right? So on Tuesday, as we all understand our anticipation, right, we understood that okay, prices multiple support reactions, right? And obviously with multiple support reactions, all we're gonna be focusing on, because obviously this was Tuesday on our London session, right? All we're gonna be focusing on is very two things, right? Are we gonna get a break so we can look forward for those moves to the downside, or is price gonna give us a fill to break so we can look forward for those moves to the upside? Those were the only two anticipations that we had waking up on Tuesday, and as we were looking to capitalize within our trading space, right? So as you can clearly see that obviously price gave us a break. So with a break, with this London session candlestick, this whole big candlestick, this whole bearish momentum candlestick was our London session candlestick. If you can check the time, it was 9 a.m. right? So obviously with a break below our support, and understanding that prices violated our support and prices closed below our support in our London session, all we now had in the back of our minds was very simple. Based on price giving us a break, right? Based on price giving us a break below, and based on price creating our current price low, because this has turned into a current price low when you clearly look at this very same low, right? So from a breakout and a low being printed out, all we now were looking for, as I told the COT Academy team, that guys, prices gave us a break below our zone and prices closed below, creating a current low. In order for us to look for continuations either to the downside, can we at least get a break below our current low in order for us to anticipate that the bear momentum that we had in our London session will further continue once price trades below that very same current low, that London session low that price has printed out, right? And when you look at it from a break below, price gave us a close below, which was on 1200 p.m. right? 1200 p.m. CAT, right? So from 1200 p.m. CAT, price gave us a break below off of our current low. So with a break below of our current low, all we now did was to just wait for price to give us a trade below our current candlestick that violated our current London low, right? So we can look forward for those continuations or those moves to the downside. And when you look at it, price did as we anticipated, right? With a close below our low, our current low, and a trade below our candlestick that violated our current London low, we knew that there was nothing else that we could be looking for but for continuations to the downside. And when you clearly look at this, we spent 2 hours in the trade and that was it, right? Don't look for much, don't look for less. So understanding the secret was not many things. 1, price printed out support. 2, our London session violated our support. 3, our London session gave us a current low. 4, our pre-NY session candlestick violated our London low. And 5, price traded below the current candlestick that violated our London low. And that's all we were looking for. Price played out as we have anticipated. But don't worry. If you're looking for a full breakdown, or if you're looking to capitalize independently, then I guess we're gonna take my number, my Instagram link, because Circle of Traders has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. I guess those will be a great bucket and those will be a great deal for you to capitalize. For more info, check my number, my Telegram link, which is comment P in our comment section, so you can be well aware of what assistance are you looking for, so I can give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need, so you can not only have a great end to your trading, to a 2025 trading journey, but you can have a greater life within your trading journey, because we'll have all the gems, all the knowledge, and far most importantly, all the secrets that you're gonna be looking for. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, I hope you gained value from this video, and I hope you took all that you needed from this video. Without further ado, I repeat, this is your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.